Remember to subscribe and hit the bell notification.
Karl, recording from Bedford, Pennsylvania on Saturday, February 20th, 2020, and yeah, it's about 20 degrees or so outside. It was started out at 11 this morning, but here we are. We're looking out at the backyard. Got some snow. We were supposed to have like anywhere from 6 to 12 inches yesterday, but all we got was cold air. We got we got the cold air, but we didn't get the precipitation. But I'm just going out to check the mail, and I haven't used this camcorder in the longest time because I didn't have the right. I now have. I'm holding it with a tripod. I'm using the tripod like a gimbal, so it's more stable, and because before my videos were really shaky. Get more of that here. And even though I do have video stabilization on this thing, and it's without the tripod, when you're just holding the thing by itself, it shakes. And okay, so make sure there's down here. Okay, nothing. Good. Nothing. Good. Okay. Did we get any mail? Good. Okay, mail is slow, as usual, so that's okay. No news is good news. Yeah, trash is getting overloaded. Okay. Yeah, just walking back in. Good. I can batten down the hatches now, and I can get on my laptop and do what I need to do for the rest of the day, and then do my weekly cleaning in the apartment. And that's basically my Saturdays. Not a whole lot going on. Don't really want to do a whole lot out here anyway, so but I just wanted to get this out here and actually use it. It's not very good. It's quite you get what you pay for. So I'm looking for a Canon camcorder, about double the price. And anyway, so now, okay, let's. All right, let's. Okay, all right. We're recording. Okay.